This one is, I think that this is polyethylene again materials, and this one is grille from Honda, and you can fix it. It's very simple. Its new grill is cost from $100 to $500. Okay, but this one is broken to pieces. Two clamp is broken. Okay, and you don't need to buy a new piece. Okay, you can fix it. It's very simple. First, you can use primer. This is primer. I use primer both sides. And leave it for 30 seconds for chemical reaction. Leave it for 30 seconds. Second that bottle, I use glue. This is German Klebstoff. Okay, that is Black Bull. And I use glue. Only one side. And hold it. Now, you can see a little more glue. I put a little more glue on the top. Okay. And I put powder for more support. Did you see? I put powder, a little powder. Powder for more support. You don't need this clamp at this piece. And leave it for chemical reaction. Okay, and already bonded. Now, exactly the same another piece. You can see that this broken piece. I use primer. You can another way that you can put a little more primer, both sides. You can see that this one is okay. I use glue only one side. You can see this is broken piece. I use glue and hold it. Hold it few seconds for chemical reaction. Now, inside I put powder. I use glue. And I put more powder on the top. And leave it for chemical reaction. And now you see that it's all piece that is repaired. And this grill from Honda. Okay, and all piece that is repaired.